So here's a little video that goes through the process of capturing video off of your computer screen where you capture the video and the audio at the same time. First, you're going to head to existential.audio/blackhole and download this little extension. You do have to put in your email address and first and last name, so if you want to keep things private, you can just use a throwaway. And then you'll download this little tiny application. I've already done so. When you download it, you'll double-click it to install. And it won't really seem like it does anything at first. It's very small, and it's not really an application that you can reach like Photoshop or Illustrator or something like that. You only see it when you're using other programs. So once BlackHole is installed, I can head over to a site like YouTube. So here's a little video of me, and it has some audio in it. Here I've made this little wooden whistle. So I can record this with QuickTime Player, so that should come on any Macintosh for free. And I can say File, New Screen Recording. And I'm going to pick as my input, instead of the mics that I have attached, I should have the option here for BlackHole. So BlackHole is basically just routing audio between parts of your computer. So for QuickTime, the input is going to be BlackHole. Now what I also have to do is go into my sound panel in my settings. And for the output device, instead of my speakers, I'm also going to pick BlackHole. So that way, when the movie plays on Firefox, the output will be BlackHole. So it'll put the audio into BlackHole, and then BlackHole is also the input for QuickTime. So this should allow me to copy both the audio and visual portions of this video. So let's see how it works. So I'll head back to QuickTime. I've already set BlackHole here as my input, and I'll hit record. It says click record for the full screen, so I'll go ahead and do that. Usually it takes a second or two to start. Then I want to maximize the screen here and hit play. Now while I'm watching this, I'm not going to hear anything, right? Because the sound is currently being routed out through BlackHole. But I can go ahead and stop this after a few seconds. And I will stop my QuickTime video. And then I'll head back to sound so that we can actually hear this. And back to internal speakers. You might not hear this super well because I'm recording onto an external microphone, but let's try it out. See my mouse moving around there. So hopefully you can hear that. If you can't, just trust me. So these are the steps you use to record a video from the internet, making sure, of course, that you're using it for fair use purposes, as we are, where you record both the audio and visual components.